Welcome back, students. I am going to continue part 2, Reena the Magician. Reena the Magician. The previous part, Reena was trying to learn magic tricks to make her grandfather happy. And the second part is that Reena wanted to perform the magic what she had learned in front of her grandfather. Here the second section is going to take place on Reena's home with her family members. So dear children, Reena woke up very early. Why she woke up very early? She woke up very early. She wanted to see smile on her grandfather's face. So the next morning, what happened? Reena woke up very early. Usually, if we have some function or our birthday or a marriage function or picnic, that day morning we also will get up so early, no? Why? Because of happy, want to go for picnic. So because of happiness, we are get up early morning before calling your mother. Here also, Reena also wanted to get up so early, and she wanted to to perform the magic tricks to make his grandfather happy. Her grandfather had already gone for a walk. Her grandfather already gone for a walk, and he was an old man. He went to for walk. She stood at the door, waiting for him to come back. She is eagerly waiting for his grandfather to come back. In front of him, she has to perform the magic tricks. Next to her, who is children, look at the picture. In this picture, who is behind her? Her mother is behind her. And what are the things we can find in the picture? Mother was puzzled. Her mother was puzzled. Mother is, why is she carrying this glass of water? What is the red cloth is what purpose? And all the things watching and all her activities seeing, mother was puzzled, unable to understand her what she is going to do. She got shock, confusion. Then as the sun rose behind the trees, Reena's grandfather returned. What is the meaning? Behind the tree, the sun comes up, and Reena's father came back from morning walk. Then she said, Dadu, Dadu. What is the meaning, Dadu? Dadu meaning, Dadu is a Hindi word meaning grandfather. She said, Dadu, Dadu, I have learned a magic trick. Very happily, surprisingly, cheerfully, she is telling to his grandfather, Dadu, Dadu, I have learned magic tricks. Then Dadu wanted to know, what is it? Dadu asked her, what is it? And Reena, what is this water for? Mother also asking to Reena, what purpose this water? Why are you carrying a glass of water? What is going to play? Mother got a confusion. Mother puzzled there. She doesn't know what is his daughter is going to perform, what is going to do there. The next scene, next picture, just we go to next picture. Next, the Reena is taking a glass of water. See the picture, a glass of water and covered with a red cloth and spelling magic words. What are the magic words you know? Butter and mallow, I am a good fellow. Afternoon showers, give me some flowers. What is the meaning of this word? These magical words, usually those who are performing magician, those who are performing magic, they are using some words, magical words. That is butter. What is the meaning? Butter. Butter is a product of milk. Then and mallow. Mallow is a wild plant and a white color flower is there. I am a good fellow. She is a good fellow. And afternoon showers. Afternoon bath. Give me some flowers. Then here these magic words have no interconnection among these words. So performing time, the magician is using these magical words. After that, what happened? That she performed, trying to perform magical, pronounce the magical words. Then mother said, Reena, stop, don't show. Stop, don't play magic trick. Then mother Reena opened her eyes, swung her arm with all her strength. What is the meaning swung? Raised her hands. Reena opened her eyes. Then what happened? Swung her arms with all her strength. Her mother tried to stop her. Reena's mother was trying to stop her. In the confusion, water splashed everywhere. And why? What is the meaning? Why confusion here? Reena was trying to perform magic tricks. Mother is trying to stop her magic tricks. The confusion is that between she and her mother. There were no flowers, only water. There were no flowers, only water is there. What is the reaction of Reena's father? What is the reaction of Reena's father? Reena's father was both Reena and her father. Reena's father was jumped with happiness and laughed there. Both Reena and her mother were thoroughly wet. Then what about the Reena's reaction? Did you see the picture? See her face. Her face is very sad, dull, and she was looking down. See the water. Water also spread everywhere. Reena and her mother thoroughly, completely wet. Then Reena's grandfather, what is the reaction, who was jumped away, started laughing. He was jumped away and started laughing. Usually old people seeing this type of situation, they will get angry. But instead of that, Reena's grandfather was jumping and started laughing. Seeing his laugh, Reena and her mother also started laughing too. All three are laughing. Then seeing him laugh, Reena and her mother also started laughing too. The magic had worked, but in a different way. But not the way she wanted. The situation. Because the different situation they faced there, unexpected situation they faced. Reena wanted to see a smile on her, or smile on the way of seeing flowers showering from the glass. But seeing the situation, her father laughed. Their situation is different. According to her aim, purpose, magic did not perform. Then she said, see the next picture, Dadu, you are laughing. Oh, I am very happy. Dadu, you are laughing. I am very happy. The intention of Reena is that she want to make his Dadu happy. That's why she worked behind all this activity. Only one aim she has to make his grandfather happy. She loved her grandfather very much. That's why she tried her level best to make him happy. The story is written by Pratibha Nath.
Next morning, Reena woke up very early. Her grandfather had already gone for a walk. She stood at the door, waiting for him to come back. Next to her was a glass of water and a piece of red cloth. Her mother was puzzled. As the sun rose behind the trees, Reena's grandfather returned.
Dadu, Dadu, I've learnt a magic trick.
What is it?
Reena, what is the water for? Butter and mallow, I am a good fellow. Afternoon showers, give me some flowers. Reena, no. Stop.
Reena opened her eyes and swung her arm with all her strength. Her mother tried to stop her. In the confusion, water splashed everywhere. There were no flowers, only water. Both Reena and her mother were thoroughly wet. Reena's grandfather, who had jumped away, started laughing. Seeing him laugh, Reena and her mother started laughing too.
Dadu, you're laughing. Oh, I'm so happy.
The magic had worked, but in a different way.
Dear students, I am going to give the question answers of this chapter. Okay? All of you understood this second part? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, thank you. Now, I am going to read first question. Okay? Why did Reena want to learn the magic trick? Why did Reena wanted to learn the magic trick? The answer is that the Reena wanted to learn the magic trick to make her grandfather happy. Reena wanted to learn the magic trick to make her grandfather happy. Okay. Now I am going to second question. Now question number 2. What did the magician tell Reena when she offered him the money after he had taught her the trick? Magician told to Reena, your grandfather's smile will be my reward. What is the answer? Magician told to Reena, your grandfather's smile will be my reward. Now third question answer. Okay, what is the third question? Where was Reena's grandfather when she woke up in the morning? Reena's grandfather went for a walk. The next question, fourth last question. Why was Reena's mother puzzled when she saw her waiting outside? Because Reena waiting for her grandfather with a glass of water and piece of red cloth, this puzzled her. Understood the answer? Because Reena waiting for her grandfather with a glass of water and a piece of red cloth, this puzzled her. Write down these in your English copy and study well. Okay, dear students, you should write these question answers in your copy. Okay, then I am going to give some homework. Read this second part at least 3 times loudly. Okay, then the second one, study question answers and word meaning that I will give now. Word meaning 3 times and study well. Word meanings. So I am going to give word meanings. Wet, soaked with water. Wet meaning soaked with water. Splashed, Splashed meaning make wet. What is splashed meaning? Make wet. Thoroughly, thoroughly, completely. And study these three meanings and its spelling and write 3 times in your copy. Okay? Thank you.